Most auto repair shops are sitting on valuable data, but not using it to make smarter money decisions. Pull data from your shop management software, POS system, or CRM, and use AI analytics tools to identify your most profitable services, slowest jobs, busiest days, and best customer sources. For auto repair shops, this can reveal patterns that are easy to miss. Maybe tire alignments bring in new customers, but diagnostics produce higher profit. Maybe Wednesdays are slow and need a promotion. Maybe one advisor closes estimates better than the others. AI can help summarize trends and turn complex reports into simple recommendations. It can also help you identify underpriced services, upsell opportunities, and customer segments worth targeting with ads. Better decisions improve margins, labor efficiency, and marketing performance. When you focus on the most profitable services and channels, revenue growth becomes more predictable. Export the last 90 days of shop data and ask an AI tool to identify your top 3 profit opportunities.